Meaning of given.
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 Given. The word given is typically used as a preposition or conjunction to indicate that something is assumed or provided as a basis for a subsequent statement or action. It suggests that a fact or circumstance is accepted as true or existing, often as a starting point for further discussion. For example, given the current economic environment, we will need to adjust our business strategy. In summary, given implies that a particular condition or situation is taken as a given or established, and serves as a foundation for further reasoning or decision-making.